Welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to wire up a single plug socket. Rule number one, just remember before touching any electrics, if you don't feel comfortable, always get an electrician to come out and do the job. But if you do feel comfortable, always remember to turn the power off first, because believe me, it's not nice to get electric shock. So remember to turn the power off. Today we are going to be putting in a single socket. The make is Schneider, not bad sockets. We've got our cable here, which is 2.5 for your sockets. So we're going to strip the cable. I use one of these tools, put it over the cable, turn round, and it breaks the sleeve. And what you're going to end up with when you remove this is you've got three wires. You've got red or brown, blue or grey, and then green and yellow. So your blue is your neutral, your red, brown is going to be your live, and then your green and yellow is going to be your earth. So straight away, if you haven't got these three colours, get an electrician in, because if it's not earthed, then you might want to think about doing that. We've got our cable stripper here, so you're going to strip your cable by about 1 centimetre, just so you've got a little bit of copper showing, just like that. We've got a single back box here, and if you can see, these parts here are to stop any air coming through, to make sure that your room's a lot more insulated. So we're going to put the cable in one of the holes here. You've got a clip at the top and a clip down the bottom, which comes against the plasterboard, and then you've got your two on your side there, which we're going to come and put our socket on. So we just push the cable through here like this, push it back into the wall. When you get yourself a screwdriver and just come and tighten up your clips. So you've got two screws there, there's one, and there's two. You then come and undo your side screws, which your socket's going to come and be mounted on. So this is our socket here. Obviously, I live in France, so these are French sockets. Obviously, different countries have different, so this is for a French socket. And at the back, you've got push fit. So like I said, you've got the red, which is live, the green, which is your earth, and then the blue, which is your neutral. So we're just going to put colour for colour, and they just literally pop in. Just give them a little tug, just to make sure that obviously they're well in there. There you go, and then you're just going to push that back in. Now you're going to say, what's this green cover for? They put these on so that if the house hasn't been painted, the painter can spray or paint, and obviously it protects the socket. But obviously, because this has been painted, we're just going to pop this off and put it in the bin. So you just put your socket in through your two side holes, and then you're going to come and tighten these up. You just put your little level across the top. Make sure that your socket's nice and level. Then you tighten up your other screw. There you go. And then finally, you've got your cover plate. Just literally undo your packaging. Nice little white cover. Does come with different colours: pink, blue, black, green, whatever, leather, wood, whatever you choose. And this simply just comes on and clips over. And then, as you can see, there's your socket finished. Thanks for watching. Follow along, subscribe for more videos. Next week's video, I'll show you how to do a double socket, and then I'm going to show you how to do electric rad. And let me guys know if you're struggling with something that I can maybe help out. So yeah, leave a like and a comment. Peace.